Hello, my name's Jerry McSparron. I'm the owner of JMAC Engine Shop, and this is another JMAC Engine Shop rebuild completion video. And this time's on an MG Midget 1500, and this engine would actually fit in another Triumph Spitfire, but it has a an MG number, and it came out of an MG, and it's going back in an MG. This was sent to me by Jared, and the engine number is, if I focus on it a little bit here, FP58950UE, and so this was a low compression engine. Nothing really major wrong with it. It just was time to be rebuilt, and this time put some compression and some power behind it, a little bit of performance. And so we did that. We put flat top pistons in it, and shaved the head, and put a little bit better cam, a 270 duration cam, and a little bit larger intake valves. Went to the 1.438 valves, and so it all bears out because it runs very well. It's smooth, been balanced. It's completely gone through, all new bearings, all new. The crank has been turned, and the camshaft has been reground, and the flywheel and the rotating assembly has been balanced, and the pistons and the rods have been weight balanced against each other, and so it's just a good solid rebuild. And oil pressure was almost 80, about 78, maybe 80 right at first when it's very cold, and then after it's really warm, and this is a warm day, it's in the 80s, middle 80s, and the temperature on the engine gets up to 190 or so, and then when you run it for a little while and then you calm down to idle it, it went down to about 35, but just as soon as you put a little bit of throttle to it, it jumps right back up, and 35 is plenty. I don't mean to sound like that's not good. And so yeah, in compression, number one cylinder was 172, 2 was 175, 3 was 190, and 4 was 176. So potentially they could all settle in to be 190, but I can't guarantee that. It just has to do with how the rings seat. I ran this engine for probably an hour and 20 minutes, and so it's it's on its way to being broken in anyway. Well, I'm going to start it up so Jared can hear it run, and then we'll close out the video. I'll put this video on YouTube, and if you're interested in an MG or Triumph Spitfire engine being rebuilt, go visit my website, www.jmacengineshop.weebly.com. Thanks for watching.